Hey, what's up guys? Michael here with WarpDriveM. Welcome to a new episode. In today's episode we are finally changing the oil for the transmission and the filter, and this is the last step in preparing the car for the 300 horsepower. After doing this, the fluid change on the transmission, we are going to receive the new software because everything is done. If you want to see how I've changed the exhaust with the sport one, check the pop-up banner. If you want to see how I've changed the gasket for the oil filter housing, the same look above. And today we are going to change the fluid and the gaskets on the automatic transmission. In my case it's a GM transmission. And just a quick tip, if you want to find out what kind of transmission your car has, just go under the car, and if you have a metal pan on the automatic transmission, that's a GM transmission. If you see a plastic pan, then it means you have a ZF transmission. Anyway, no more talking, let's start the video. We have in here all the parts needed for the change of the fluid and the filter and the new gasket. Yeah, that's the pump to put the oil in the transmission. I'm going to use this type of oil after I've researched. The GM transmission use this type of oil, Dextron 6. Yeah, as you can see in here, it said for GM products. Yeah, transmission fluid. Anyway, what I've researched, it was about this sealant. Yeah, filter sealant. It's very hard to take it out from the transmission, but I noticed that on the newer filter it's already been installed. Yeah, so I have to remove the old one, but let's see how everything works and hope for the best. Back under the car, yeah, this is the front of the car, there is the engine. Yeah, let me turn the other way around. So yeah, this is the oil pan, and here underneath is the transmission. We have to remove this plastic cover, and underneath is the transmission, like I've said. And in here you can see a little bit, the oil pan is metal, that means it's a GM transmission. And first of all, we have to try to undo this bolt, because this is the filler plug and this is the drain plug. Yeah, we have to try to remove this. If this doesn't loose, then we cannot change the oil. So that's a 17mm socket for the filler plug. Yeah, now with 10mm I'm going to lose every bolt in here. I removed the filter, yeah, and let me show you the new filter. The new filter has the ring already installed, and it's way better done because the plastic goes around the ring, so next time when I'm gonna remove the filter, it's gonna come off with the ring as well, yeah. And it was not the case in this old filter. As you can see, it's just the neck without the ring, the sealant, yeah. And as you can see right there, I had to cut a little bit from the ring in order to make some room in here to remove it. So yeah, it was a struggle, but I had to do it because I cannot install the new filter, because I already showed you it already has installed the neck, the ring on the neck, and I cannot remove it because I wanted to remove the seal, yeah, this ring, and leave the original one in there, but because of that small difference I couldn't do it, so I had to cut a little bit. Now I'm gonna remove it and install the new filter. I finally removed it. Yeah, this is what this was the only way. I could not do it other way. I've tried maybe an hour to remove it gently and in one piece, but there is no way. So everything is clean in there, the hole is ready. Now I'm going to install the new filter, and we are going to fill the transmission with the new fluid. I'm gonna wash the pan. I have in here the magnet. It was clean, not a single metal residue on the magnet, but I found some metal residue in the filter. Yeah, when I poured the oil out, I was seeing some metal shaves in there, but it was just like fine metal shaves, yeah, nothing bad. But how the oil looks like, I think this was already changed. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Now I'm going to change everything and put back like new. So job done. Yeah, I've filled the transmission with fluid. I've used 6.5 liters Dexron 6, I think. Yeah, Dexron 6. Yeah, so 6.5 liters. I couldn't film and put through the gears and come back here and fill the gearbox, so I've done it myself. Yeah, on the label directly on the automatic transmission pan, you will find the part number for the oil, yeah, and the temperature to fill up. So 30 degrees to 50 degrees, or in Fahrenheit in here. So 30 degrees, that means, oops, you were out of range, yeah. So 30 degrees means that you have to put the car through all the gears and back to park, and you will have 30 degrees, yeah. I've cleaned everything, the pan, everything. I'm not going to put the plastic shields here underneath. I'm gonna drive a few days like this to see if I have any leaks, yeah. And you can see the leaks from the oil pan gasket in here, in there. Everything is done. It's quite a messy job because how this pan is made, you will have like 2 liters of oil in here, and when you remove the pan, it's gonna drop all the oil. Yeah, I've made a mess in here. I had to put some sand. Anyway, job done. And with this concludes the final step in order to receive the 300 horsepower. I'm happy, I'm excited because from now on we are going directly to the tuner for the new software. And to be honest, I'm quite excited for the new power. Now the car, because it's a stock car, has 230 horsepower. Until 300, that's a big difference. I think I'm gonna notice the difference. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.